Welcome to my channel once again.
Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu.
Machine learning techniques for image classification.
Now see, see it is installing now. If anyone don't know, no problem. Python. See, I am installing the Python within 1 minute. You can run this Python. See, almost all that. So, latest version modified was successful. Now you can check whether this software is installed success or not. See here, go to run command here. See Python, type Python, you get 3.11. So one small program I'm going to show you. Likewise, you can execute many programs. Okay, suppose write a Python program. Write a Python program. Numbers using static. Very simple. Some a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 4, c is equal to n plus 1. Now see the c value. So same program using dynamic. Now see, I'm using dynamic. Small program. Then I will show you big programs. Dynamic program, dynamic input. So that is a static program. Write a Python program to perform addition of two numbers using static input. Write a Python program to perform addition of two numbers using dynamic. Same program. Int of, put of, enter value of e. Now I am reading the value. Next p value. Now p value is 4. Now same thing. C is equal to a plus b. B is equal to a minus b. E is equal to a star b. And f is equal to a division by b. G is equal to a percentile. Now check the values. My screen is visible. Please see here. Check the C. Yeah. See the C value, then D value, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulo. So now, same programs I am executing. This Python can be executed in two ways. One is ideally integration development learning environment, and the second one is scripting way. Now I'm going to show you scripting the same programs. Then now I'll execute the machine learning algorithms. So CLS, clear screen, same programs. Not bad. Is so with ap.ai, small program. Okay, I'm creating small program by using Python. So I'm using it. Yeah, now see my screen is visible. You can write a multi-line comment like Dr. Asadi, Srinivasulu. Then mobile number 96422 60060. Okay, then aim of the program. Just aim I'm explaining. Write a Python program to perform arithmetic operations. Now I'm closing the full quotes. Now I'm using A is equal to int of put of and enter value of B. And B is equal to int of input of enter value of now same thing. A is equal to A plus B. B is equal to A minus B. B is equal to A star B. F is equal to A division by B. G is equal to A percentage B. Then print addition is equal to comma C output variable. Print then subtraction is equal to B. Then print multiplication E. Then division F. Print. The screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
So in this one, so after completion of this program, save control S, then go to my file name is with the Python space print ap.py. See, now my program is asking enter value of A is 3, enter value of B 4. Now it is displaying addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo, etc. Now I'm going to explain machine learning algorithms. See here. Now you are ready with the Python programming. See what I am using. Top 5 algorithms I am going to execute now.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.
Based on the past values, we are predicting the future values. Import matplotlib, pyplot as PLT, import numpy as NP. It's a numpy library, matplotlib library from scalar. So scalar is a library. From there, I'm directly taking linear model, import logistic regression, and logistic regression. From scalar matrix, import classification, report and confusion matrix in order to check the accuracy of the problem. Import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. I'm taking x value and y value. X value is between -1 and y value is 1. Print x and print y. Then I'm calculating model is equal to logistic regression of solver equal to linear, random state 0. Model.fit of x comma y. Logistic regression, like I'm using all the parameters. Then model logistic regression, say comment section. This one.